The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Burns Harbor, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 8:45 p.m. At 6:37 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Jackson Park Harbor or over Calumet Harbor, moving northeast at 5 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and several higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, 59th Street Marina and Diversey Harbor. This is NOAA.